Hi everyone, it's Ruben from Bever. Today we will talk about asset hierarchy management system by using Dynamics 365 field service. Let's take a look at the following example. We have a wheeled pump as a parent asset and 4 child assets underneath which belong to our customer. We need to send our technician to perform the following. First, general inspection on our parent asset. And second, replacement of hydraulic drive cylinder from this number into this. First, let's take a look to the inspection template form. It's a digital form what technicians use to answer questions during their work order visit. In order to add a new question, let's click on the Revise button. And from the right side, I can drag and drop the question with its answer type. Let's add, for example, the text box type of question. And the question can be, for example, check motor speed. And its answer is text box. And once ready, let's just publish it. And our inspection template form is ready. Now let's go to the incident types forms. Incident types are service templates where we can create products, services, and service tasks. Later, we can create a work order based on the incident type, and in that case, products, services, and tasks will be copied from the incident into the work order. In our case, the incident type will have the following 2 service tasks. First, the asset creation, which corresponds to our replacement of hydraulic drive cylinder, because we need to create a new asset with a new serial number. And second, wheeled pump general inspection, which corresponds to our general inspection task. It has a lookup to the inspection template, which we just talked about. Each service task has an estimated duration, and the sum of total estimated duration you can see under the incident type level. Now let's go to the work order and create a new work order. Work order is a job that technician should perform on a customer site. Let's select the customer, the incident type, which we just talked about, and primary incident customer asset, which in our case is a parent asset, wheeled pump. Let's click Save. Now let's go to the settings and add time from and time to promise dates. This is a time window within which our technician should arrive at the customer site. So let's say it's today from 7 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. and let's click Save. Now let's go to the service tasks. As you can see, we have 2 service tasks which just copied from the incident type into the work order, the asset creation and the wheeled pump general inspection. Let's try to book a technician for this work order. For that, let's click on the Book button. And change the type from list to Gantt. As you can see, the blue rectangle represents the area within which our technician should arrive at the customer site. Our work is estimated as 2 hours and 15 minutes, this coming from the incident type, and technician should arrive within 7 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Let's book him for 8 p.m. and let's click book and exit. Now let's go to the schedule board view and refresh here. As you can see, our technician Joe is booked today from 8 p.m. to 10:15 p.m. to complete this work order 00017. Now let's see the technician mobile app. Technician Joe will receive a work in his app and can see that he has a work today from 8 p.m. which is estimated 2 hours and 15 minutes. He needs to replace hydraulic drive cylinder. So let's open it. And once technician is ready to travel to the customer site, he can change the status from scheduled to traveling from his mobile, and that will change the color on the dynamic side for the scheduler. So if I refresh the screen, it will change the color to yellow because it means now it's traveling. And as you can see, it goes a little bit left because a technician arriving sooner than estimated, because current time is 6:45 p.m. so he's arriving sooner than 8 p.m. That's why it switched to the left. As we can see, that yellow represents that it's traveling. Once technician will arrive to the customer site, he can change from a traveling to in progress, means now he's on the customer site and started the work. Let's click save, and that will again change the color. Yeah, now it's green, and as you can see, it means the technician already on the customer site and he's performing a work. Next, technician should go to the service tab and see what job he has. So he has two things. He has an asset creation job and he has a wheeled pump general inspection. Let's first try the inspection. So he clicks on the inspection, scroll down, and here technician can see what he needs to answer the following questions. Inspect asphalt, let's say it's safe. This is also safe, and he needs to write motor speed. Let's select, I don't know, 5 for example. And once ready, he just click mark complete. So the inspection is done. Now he needs to perform the asset creation, which means he needs to replace hydraulic drive cylinder from this number to this. So let's click here. First he needs to select the parent asset, which in our case is a wheeled pump. Next he needs to select install part, the new hydraulic drive cylinder, which serial number is this, so let's select that one. And next he needs to replace old asset, which serial number is this one. Yeah. And once ready, he can just click mark complete. Okay, so the two jobs are done, and now he will go to the general tab and change the booking status from in progress to completed. Save. And if we'll go back to the schedule board and refresh the screen, we will see that it's now very shrink. It's because now it shows the actual duration. So he arrived at 6:45 p.m. and completed the job within 3 minutes, because I just showed you very quickly. And it shows the actual start and end time of the job itself. Now let's go back to our asset hierarchy view. As I just showed you, we just change hydraulic drive cylinder from this number into this number. So if I refresh the screen, the serial number here should be changed. Let's try. Yeah, it's changed because, okay, let's just sign again. It's changed because we created a new asset with this serial number and the old one is deactivated. Let's now open our parent asset, Willet Pump, and let's go to the work order service tasks. Here we can see two tabs. First, the parts replacement jobs, and here we can see that on this date, on 5/14, we replaced the hydraulic drive cylinder from this number to this number. So this is a replaced part, this is an installed part. So every time you are installing something on asset, you can catch all of that on the parent asset level, and you can see all the history of all the replacements and all the changes. And second, here we can see the history of our inspections. So on 5/14 we performed the Willet Pump general inspection. We can click on it, and that will show the exact answers what technician did on this during his visit. So save, and 5. So we have a full history of our inspection and our parts replacement, which you can see under the parent asset level. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching it. See you next time.